This trick makes my home smell beautifully. Everyone who visits me asks, "What's that scent?" I don't buy it in the store, I make it myself. I heat a fork over a candle, then take a simple disposable plastic box. Using the hot fork, I make numerous holes in it. They need to be plenty. The hot fork melts them, so it's the fastest way. When the lid is covered in holes, I remove it from the box and pour salt inside. Plain, inexpensive kitchen salt with coarse grains will be perfect, as it has cleansing properties and absorbs moisture. Let me know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Then I pour a teaspoon of fabric softener into it. It should have a pleasant floral scent. I mix everything so that the salt gets colored by the fabric softener. Prepare a handful of cloves and insert them evenly around in equal intervals. You can create nice patterns that will be pleasing to the eye. Place such a box in the bathroom or wardrobe. It will emit a pleasant fragrance. Everyone will ask what smells so good. Additionally, it absorbs excess moisture, so it works great in a shoe cabinet. The scent of the fabric softener and cloves will be intense, making it perfect for the bathroom as well. Ignite a spruce branch in the bathroom. I always do this after the holidays. I don't immediately discard the Christmas tree right after Christmas. When the needles from the tree begin to fall, it's the perfect time to put them to use. And there are many ways to do so. You'll learn one of them right away. Cut the already drying spruce branches into smaller pieces. Place the needles and chopped branches into a small fireproof container or an ashtray. Place it on a shelf or cabinet in the bathroom. Now all you have to do is light it. The dry needles will smolder and a pleasant fragrance will start to fill the air. You can make such a spruce air freshener from all the gathered needles from the Christmas tree. I use this type of air freshener in the bathroom most often. Burning the needles spreads the spruce scent quickly throughout the entire bathroom. If you like mandarins, you will definitely be surprised. Don't throw away their peels. They come in handy. You'll see why in a moment. The next time you peel mandarins, collect their peels. In mandarin peels, as well as in other citrus fruits, you'll find D-limonene. It's what gives citrus fruits their lovely fragrance. Transfer the peels to a jar and cover them with vinegar. Seal the jar and place it in a dark spot. Strain the mandarin vinegar and pour it into a spray bottle. This mandarin-infused vinegar is a true gem. It's natural, smells delightful, and has a pleasant, slightly orange color. The compounds from the mandarin peels have blended with the vinegar. In this way, you've created a unique and eco-friendly surface. Cleaner. D-limonene from mandarin peels and vinegar work wonders in removing dust and dirt. You can use this solution to wipe down countertops and tables. It's also effective for cleaning an induction cooktop, leaving no traces or streaks. Surfaces cleaned with it are both pristine and shiny. If you use it to clean your shower glass, it will sparkle and smell fresh. This solution is perfect for washing the sink, eliminating soap scum and disinfecting the surface. Feel free to use it to clean the toilet as well. Spread salt in front of the door of your house and place a doormat on it. The next day, you'll be rubbing your eyes in amazement. It turns out that salt has many positive uses that you can take advantage of at home. In this video, I'll show you the most interesting ones. Pour salt into a bowl. It has strong cleansing properties. Fill the bowl halfway with salt. Then take a garlic bulb. Cut off its top. Its intense smell has repellent properties. Place it right in the center of the bowl. Take dried bay leaves. Insert them evenly around the garlic. Do it carefully. Insert them 1/3 of the way up. Place the prepared bowl next to the entrance door. It turns out that it has great power. Its practical effect is that it repels pests. Ants, spiders, and cockroaches will avoid the house with a wide berth. The intense smell of garlic and bay leaves acts as an irritant to them. Naturally protect your home from pests. However, it turns out that our grandmothers also believed in the purifying power of such bowls. They sprinkled salt in front of the house doors to protect it from evil forces and energy. The next day, they would sweep and throw it away. The second salt trick is also interesting. Take a lime and cut it in half. Then, cut off the tip so that it lies steadily. Put the fruit in a bowl and sprinkle it with salt. Place it under the bed and leave it overnight. It turns out that aromatherapy using lime effectively reduces stress. Just put it in the bedroom and go to sleep. The scent will make you calmer, facilitate falling asleep, and positively impact the quality of sleep. Mix and place it in an empty toilet hanger. A homemade cube will work in any toilet. Is your toilet hanger empty? Don't have a new one? You don't have to rush to the store right away. You can prepare your own insert for such a hanger. Pour about 3/4 of a cup of water into a pan or pot. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch or potato starch. Mix it in cold water to dissolve. Now start heating the container. Stir and bring the mixture to a boil. It should be quite thick. To the resulting mixture, add a packet of citric acid. Mix the citric acid with the mixture until it completely dissolves. Add a generous amount of detergent. It can be dishwashing liquid or laundry detergent. Finally, you can add essential oil, for example, tea tree oil. Mix everything well. Transfer to a smaller container. Cover the area with foil for hygiene. Prepare an empty toilet hanger. Take a disposable spoon. Use it to apply the mixture to the hanger. And it's ready. Hang the hanger in the toilet and flush the waiter. The detergent and citric acid will gently clean its interior. The toilet will be cleaner and fresher. Here's a recipe for a fizzing foam that literally squeezes dirt out from the crevices of windows. It's like a magnet pulling it out, even from the tiniest gaps, without any need for scrubbing. Thanks to this, window cleaning becomes quicker, and with this recipe, you'll save a lot of time and frustration. Windows tend to collect quite a bit of dirt over time, and cleaning them can be rather annoying. Here's a straightforward recipe for a foaming cleaning solution. Pour 200 milliliters of vinegar into a spray bottle. Next, add a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid and 100 milliliters of water. Mix it well and seal the bottle tightly. Sprinkle the window frame generously with baking soda. Don't forget to sprinkle it on the metal hardware as well, where stubborn, hard-to-remove dirt tends to accumulate. Now spray the soda with the mixture from the spray bottle. The soda and vinegar will react chemically, creating a fizzing foam. It's almost like magic as it effectively removes dust, even from the tiniest crevices. Additionally, it has whitening and disinfecting properties. Let the foam sit for 5 minutes. Afterward, wipe it off the frame with a damp sponge. It only takes one swipe to make the frame look like new. The foam extracts the dirt and carries it away. The window frame ends up clean, shiny, and snow white without the need to scrub the corners. This simple recipe is cost-effective and highly reliable.